US-based electric vehicle manufacturer Triton, a Tesla rival, recently announced its plans to set up a facility in India while showcasing its Model H electric SUV in Hyderabad. The Triton EV will be the company's first electric car in India. The Triton EV Model H SUV appears massive at first glance and wears the essence of an American SUV with a large front and grille. Its height is 2057 mm, length 5690 mm and width 1880 mm. The wheelbase measures around 3302 mm and goes well with the huge size of the SUV. The seating capacity of the electric car is 8 adults, the most an electric vehicle can offer in terms of space in the country. The company has also claimed that the EV can carry luggage of up to 5,663 liters. The towing capacity is claimed to be of around 7 tons. This electric car draws its juice from a set of 200 kWh battery pack which comes with an option of hypercharge. Triton claims the electric car can get fully charged using the hypercharger in just 2 hours. The EV can run for about 1200 kilometers on full charge without having the need to plug in. If this claim is true, then the Model H SUV will become the first electric car in India to breach 1000 kilometers range on electric charge. Moreover, this electric range will be among the electric cars with the longest range globally. The Triton EV will be a complete make-in-India electric vehicle from Zahirabad, Telangana factory. This manufacturing facility is Triton EV's biggest in the world after the United States. The facility is being built over a million square feet area at an investment of $1.5 billion. According to the company, it will have a $300 million investment. It also said that it has already received purchase orders worth $2.4 billion from India. This facility will manufacture cars not only for India but also for overseas markets like Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Nepal and the Middle East. Buyers will get 7 color options to choose from. The one which was unveiled in India at an event recently was wrapped in metallic blue. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel The Vocal News and don't forget to like, share and comment. You can also follow us on Facebook and log on to our website www.thevocalnews.com for latest news updates.